What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got the 18858 on the bench here. We just came in from our first test run with the newly released 2020 model of the HBX Hailstorm. You're going to want to check it out. We put this thing through its paces today for sure. We're not one of these channels who's going to take it out their front door, run it up and down the street a few times and tell you how good it is. We're going to put it through a true test. Check it out. Coming up next on Van City RC. Alright guys, we're out here with the 18858, the Hailstorm. Unfortunately guys, check this out. This is like a big disappointment. This is where I always do my first test runs, is here at the bashing pit. And got some heavy equipment in there right now. They're doing some work. I don't think I'm going to be going in there today. Unfortunately, I don't want to wreck what they're doing here, and I don't want to cause any issues. So we're going to step off onto the trail here, and we'll do what we can do here. We're going to make the best of it. It's kind of a running trail here, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get in anybody's way here, but we'll do our thing, and then we'll if we need to relocate to another area, we will, to another spot. If we can get our run in here with the 18858, we'll do it here. All right guys, hope you enjoy. It out a bit. Now the terrain here is not too bad. We got some grass, we got some mud. We're still gonna have a good time regardless. I'm impressed. This little guy is so much fun. Front flip action there, right on. Look at that, guys. That's some pretty long grass, tough terrain for a little 1/18 scale, and it's making it through it. Bring it back. Nice. Go up the hill a bit there, do a little hill climb. I made it. Bring it back down. Oh, we're off the trail. We're back on. All right guys, that's the newly released 2020 model of the 18858. We actually had a fantastic time. A little bit disappointed we couldn't go in the bashing pit, but we checked out some of the trails here.
found some mud, found a hill to climb, went through some grass. We put it through pretty much everything you're gonna put it through yourself, and it did just fine. You guys like this video, make sure you get a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button before you head out, and remember, don't be a stranger. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.